Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Instagram Edits app on iPhone. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your app store. And then on the search bar, you want to simply go ahead and search for the Edits application, just like that. Now, you want to simply go ahead and download and install this application right over here and click on open. This is not how it's going to look for you because I've already edited a lot of different things. So let me just go ahead and move a lot of different ones to the recycle bin. That way you will see what it generally looks like. All right, when you open your application, this is exactly how it looks like. You want to click on the plus icon right over here. But before we do that, we're going to talk about every other feature. So the first feature is going to be the stickies. You can add stickers for ideas. So you can simply click on plus, write down the ideas that you might have. Then there's the reel section where you can simply go ahead and look at other people's reel and maybe use that edit templates right over here. Then there's the grid, which is the project center. And then there's the camera, which you can actually go ahead and simply go ahead and allow and record directly from the edits application itself. And there's also the insight of your own account. So once we have that information, now we can simply click on the plus icon. You can either record or click on gallery to enter any video for a little project. So let's just say I have this little project here. So this is just a little music video kind of video. Let's not go on the details. So as you can see, this is going to be the screen that is going to welcome you. There's a lot of different things. On the bottom, there's a lot of different options. So the first is audio. You can simply go ahead and choose trending audios from Instagram, or you can import your own. There's also text, which is pretty self-explanatory. You can write on the screen just like that, and it will create a layer that you can later delete. There's also links. You can actually go ahead and add profile links if you want to on the videos. There's captions. It auto detects the caption that people are talking about. There's filters, which you can simply go ahead and choose from. There's captions. There's adjust, which has exposure, clarity, highlights, shadows, basic color stuff right over here, even curves as well. Now, when it comes to the video, if you simply tap on it, there's going to be a lot of different options. So you can simply go ahead and split the video wherever you want. In order to go ahead and change speeds, maybe right over here. You can also add volume, high or low. You can add effects to the video, which are all preset right over here. You can delete the clip in the middle if you want to, if that is something that no longer serves you. And you can also go ahead and make cutouts of the videos, or even voice enhance, retouch, mirror, and many, many more. So it is as simple as that. Once you're done with your editing part, you can simply click on the top 2K or HD, whatever it says on your screen right next to the next button. You can choose your resolution that you want to export at, frame rate you want to export at, and the color that you want to go ahead and export at, either SDR or HDR. Click on next and it will export immediately. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.